Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to filter the kind of content you view on your Twitter X, right? Now a lot of people, they don't like to view some content like adult content, all this content that goes against their faith, and their belief, right? Now today I'll be showing you how to do that. So when you come to your X, make sure your X is updated to the latest version, right? Then you go to your profile here. You tap on your profile, this angle, then you go to settings and privacy. This settings and privacy, you click on privacy and safety. This is it here, privacy and safety. You click on content you see. I hope you can see that, right? Content you see, you tap on it. Now the first one said explore settings, the second one says search settings, the third one is sensitive media. Then we'll tap on sensitive media, right? Now you can see here they say graphic violence. You can decide to stop graphic violence. This one is adult content. The third one is other. So let's open adult content for the sake of this video. So as you can see, they said hide media marked as adult content until you choose to see it on X or for iOS. This media won't be shown at all. Now if you are not a kind of person that you want to be seeing this adult content, you just say never show this, right? Then you will now select this option, right? So then if you want to be seeing it often, you can still decide to tap here, right? So this is where you can decide to, but I have to put mine on 1, so it is on warning. So when they warn me, if I don't feel like I want to see it, I'll just scroll past. If I feel like I want to see it, I'll open it, right? So this is all for that. Please, if this video was helpful, do well to subscribe to this channel. See you on the next one.